Okay, let's dive into a case that really shook up India's justice system.
And that question? It was right at the heart of the L. Chandrakumar case.
So this all kicked off back in 1976 with a new kind of court.
They were called administrative tribunals, and they were built to be super fast and efficient. But this new speedy path, it came with a pretty controversial shortcut. And here's the big deal. The new system just skipped the high courts entirely. As you can imagine, this shortcut kicked up a huge constitutional storm. And for the next 20 years or so, the legal battle just kept getting more intense. So it was basically a showdown, the Constitution's core rules versus the need for speed. Then, in 1997, a 7-judge bench finally stepped in to settle things once and for all. First up, they ruled that judicial review is a basic structure. You just can't touch it. In other words, tribunals could help the high courts, but they could never replace them. So, those parts of the law that cut out the high courts? Unconstitutional. Gone. This laid out the new, correct path, putting the high courts right back in the picture. Okay, so why does this case still matter so much today?
Well, it boils down to this. It protected our whole system of checks and balances.
So now tribunals strengthen the justice system instead of trying to replace a piece of it. The case gave us a framework, but that central question is still incredibly relevant today.